Slex Wild here to show you the coolest new thing coming for you speedy boys out there, or for you regular Milsim players out there. This is the Lancer Tactical Flat Pack. What makes these flat packs so awesome is they come with this chest rig here. So you get a chest rig and you get this cool backpack. And you're saying, why do you need a chest rig and a backpack? Because literally it's the coolest thing in the world, and I'm gonna show you why. This is the best that you can buy, and I'm gonna tell you why. First, it has all this storage space. You have storage here, you have storage here, you have patch panel space here for all your cool patches. You have storage here where you can hide a bunch of things like Pokemon cards, like EG67s, more EG67s, a backup airsoft rifle, and more Pokemon cards. And you're saying to yourself, well, I play HPA, I need the best vest in the world. Well, fear no more. This actually has a little pouch that you can put your HPA tank in. So you're saying you need more space. Well, this flat pack gives you more space. All you do on the bottom here is unzipper this zipper, and you get 2 times the storage for your airsoft needs. And the final, most excellent thing about this backpack is it also duals as a chest rig. So you can put all your airsoft mags, pistol mags, anything you want on the front of this vest. And if you want to burn someone's patch, this is the best for you. This flat pack is for players of all different styles. You can find these vests in black, tan, OD, and wonderful multicam at mirtactical.com. Shop it now. So you're saying to yourself, hey, where did my patch go? Oh, there it is.